So today is day one at NAB, the big trade show with all the brands that you've seen on this channel. Last night we got invited to the ceremonic launch party for the K9s, so we got to see that. That was fun. That was very nice. Really cool. It was a lovely invite, so thank you for that. So we're gonna browse the booths. So this is the South Hall, and this is where like all the big cameras are, the big production stuff is happening. It's like an adult playground for nerds.
That is incredible. Right now they have 40 mil and a 20 mil. That's great.
And with that, we're gonna call it a day. That was a nice. Actually, it's not a day because we're just leaving here. We have a creator meetup with Insta360 at this really cool location. Yeah, so we're leaving the trade show now. It was a lot of fun. A lot of really cool and creative and innovative products, and even got to see some other creators that I've been admiring for a long time.
We get recognized by quite a few brands.
Yeah, and our friends from Miami, they recognized us, so that was good. That was all fun.
Yeah.
We'll come back again tomorrow and do some more detailed reviews on some of the cool products, and stay tuned for that. We'll share that with you. But on to the Insta360 creator thing. I don't know what to expect, but that's the best part about it.
By scanning the QR code, you are giving us permission to test your brain's critical thinking.
We're in area 15, not 51, 15.
Yeah.
We're gonna go in the Asylum Bar and meet up with some creators for Insta360. Leon!
What's up, Danny?
This is so cool. Look at all these arcades. We get unlimited tokens to play all of these games, and pinball, pool, skee ball.
Oh, is this like, oh, this is good. That's clever. I like that. That's really good. Look at me.
Dabo, thank you. Maddie, thank you.
What up,
Maddie.
dude?
What's up? Oh yeah, the whole crew here.
What up, what up? That's super cool, man. What'd you present? Hey.
Oh! Cheers! So, all right, so that actually wraps up the night. We met a lot of really cool creators on YouTube. Some you might know, and
Some like way bigger than us.
yo, yeah, we're babies. We're babies there. We're babies.
We are babies.
And we got lots of reviews coming up, some really cool stuff from NAB. So if you're this far in the video, thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.